5 o'clock, we're gonna pay a visit to Miss Mamawii's residence at Tlawh. We're gonna set up right now. It is 1+7. Come on. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Approach road. This way. We're taking this way. This way. Oh hey. Hey Miss Mamawii ta in pan chho na kong ania. Ta hian kan tan chho do na ni. Khilai. Avar khi ani na ni oma. Nom he khop mai. Okay. Anh nuông lé mày. Kha gan lập phát đằng. This is garage. Oh hey, video kha gan lập phát đằng. Okay. A pizza by roll.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Christian, thank you.
This is Paul and this is Christabel. Ivan sanuam em.
Thank you so much.
Sanuam tuk. View panuam mày. This is the spacious living room. So magnificent. So great.
My dream.
I see a ginger house.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a dream house.
Just like my dream house.
No room for mosquitoes. Wow, a lot more rooms today. Chris, don't touch anything, okay? Stand just beside the Christmas tree. Stand there.
Say this.
You know what they said? This is my dream house. These two kids. Wow, it's so beautiful. Take a look at this. Hey, here bedroom. Hey, phải rào được tục. Siêu được tục hả chứ. Washing machine nó thế. A dream. Yeah. This is our favorite topic. Nuam na tug lakot tiyan. Hey. Panuam halaya genin. Nilum ay na tour. Oh. Nilum ay na tour.
Swimming pool kasi. Kasi dahil swimming pool kasi.
What clothes?
Clothes or cross.
Lampang po hinuam mày.
A graveyard.
นวมเพลไหม
And the problem is, how will we get in? No handlebars. I have an idea. I know how to open the door.
และ sitting room อ่ะอ๋อกันเลย Chris come wait in the living room okay wow
This is so scary.
Not scary.
okay
That's what I just like. Oh, the couch.
มอยแล้วนี่
What do you do? I'm gonna read some magazines.
Paul and Chris yes
The problems of today as well as to all the problems of the past. And
Look at what I
this is the center table yeah
and happy as to follow him. For it is a man's rejection of God's love and his loving laws that cause.
that's so cute
What?
that's
What
so
cute?
cute
What is cute?
it looks like a train
It is a
looks like a train
It's a Christmas tree.
okay.
Is this a glass vase?
Just take a look at
But I can pay. Look at
This is glass.
okay
And then
that's exactly how a train the balloon sound where
cool steps are no.
Wait, go over there.
Steps are no.
Chris be careful oh
Parkour.
no parkouring no parkouring
I am parkouring.
Wait, go over here.
Hey, parkour.
Wanna come here? It's so nice.
Chris be careful come here Chris come here come hold up
I want to try go over there.
no you just can't go there hey be careful it is too
That's
high
scary.
yeah
It's not
yeah yeah
scary. Hey, football can learn more.
Chris helai hi tuizem da na turani helai sakhuna phejan nuam
There, the building tower.
con tower
On the fourth day of Christmas, my children sent to me 4 living kittens, 3 big mashes, 2 bags of oranges, and you like and subscribe.
like and subscribe một trời nó bật ra ra nhìn à here okay at here
Let's go back.
cái window em you can take those beautiful stools if you want.
Bring your mommy next time. Bring your mommy next time. Okay. Oh, Mr. Ramo, how are you?
No. Chris,
It's time for me to
What class are you?
know I'm as well.
What class are you? Do you go to school? So order Ihana camp, Ihana. Go to Ihana school. Oh, I'm so glad to hear. And what about your brother? What is his class? He's class 5. And what about you?
Các mày tên ơi.
Không biết làm gì đây. Thì có hình phim thật tốt.
Các mày tên một bên kia.
Pu Donald Trump ate in ni om takani katiam okay chu nuam takani nuam tak hey
조카 해 이런 주변
hey dakar ngamoza kanin kom nuin ho turin kanin buat sai le me ka hey in thar yeah dakar hi ver kanin kom zo nuin kan ho le to do na ni te chara le anwa masina step ti motor khalnan kon no hey Solomon's temple pan na kong ani parking Palawan dia yan kan ole do na ni kalam he university kong ani is it you
Chinese. Yeah. Sarkar
and being he fire sin draw
no trash.
no trash
I took taking place yesterday. Except for dry leaves.
We almost arrived at the fields.
See, go for the
Playground down there is the fields. Te da ye field te college te po kanin khel thin lai ve lai hallelujah amen she was asking you what class are you in. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Dal mo na te inche lam pang isuan ne na chang ta le kalawan chodo nia gari climb